Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. February is National Cherry Month. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all an amazing cherry dessert. We're going to make a maraschino cherry cake. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. And we're going to frost it with a maraschino cherry cream cheese frosting. How yummy does that sound? Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. A perfect dessert for the spring and summer months. And if y'all fan of maraschino cherries, y'all going to love this. You'll be in heaven. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more cake recipes, check out my cake recipes playlist and my previous video, New Orleans beignets. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your cake pans, and your jar of maraschino cherries, sugar, because we're about to bake some maraschino cherry cake magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our dry ingredients in my stand mixer with a paddle attachment, or you can use a hand mixer. We're going to add in a 1 15.25 ounce package of white cake mix. And I have done this recipe 3 years ago, but I decided to change it up and give it an update. And into our cake mix, we're going to add in a ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of white sugar, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And we're going to stir these together until they're well combined. You can also sift them or whisk them if you like. Now it's time to add in the wet ingredients. 2 tablespoons of canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil. I love this recipe because it's all in the dump in the bowl. Next, we're going to add in 1 cup of black cherry Greek yogurt at room temperature, and that's 2 5.3 ounce cartons. Going to make the cake super moist. And now we're going to add in 3 extra large eggs at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of pure almond extract. Almond goes great with cherry. 1 cup of the maraschino cherry juice. And last but not least, a ½ cup of maraschino cherries that I chopped. I use a 1/16 ounce jar. And we're going to mix everything together on medium speed until they're well blended. Alright my friends, I'm through mixing up my batter. Look at that beautiful red color. And you see the specks of cherries? Nice and silky. Perfect. And it smells amazing. Nothing like the smell of cherry. And this is all natural. No artificial ingredients. Nothing but fresh cherry flavor. Now we are ready to pour it into our cake pans. We're going to pour it into 2 9-inch round cake pans that I sprayed with baking spray. So we're going to use my 1 cup measurement. We're going to measure up the batter. It will give us even layers. And just going to scoop them right into the pans, like so. Alright, as soon as I get through scooping out the rest of my cake batter, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I got all my batter into my pans. So now I'm going to shake them and bang them to get the air bubbles out. Now we are ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees, and we're going to let them bake for about 35 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my cakes out of the oven. And it smells heavenly. So now I'm going to let them rest in the pan for about 15 minutes. Alright my friends, it's been 15 minutes. Now we are ready to flip them over. Wish me luck. Gorgeous! Fantastic. So now we're going to let the cakes cool completely. And while they're cooling, let's get started on our luscious maraschino cherry cream cheese frosting. In my stand mixer with the paddle attachment, we're going to add in a 1 8-ounce block of cream cheese and a half a cup, which is 1 stick or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and they're both at room temperature. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright, to our cream cheese and butter, we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of pure almond extract, 12 maraschino cherries that I chopped, and 1/4 of a cup of the maraschino cherry juice. And this is optional. I'm going to add in just a few drops of red food coloring because I like my icing just a little pinker. That's good. And we're going to continue mixing until it's well blended. And now we're going to add in a 1 16-ounce box of powdered sugar, and I added in a pinch of salt, and I sift them together, or you can whisk them. If using salted butter, you can omit the salt. Going to add in a little at a time. And again, we're going to mix until it's well combined. Alright, now we're going to add in the remaining powdered sugar. And mix this in. Alright my friends, and just that quickly, our frosting is complete. Isn't that a gorgeous red? And look at those cherries inside. And our cakes is nice and cool. We're ready to give it some sugar. We're going to place the cake onto my cake stand, and I add in just a dollop of frosting in the middle, so that way when we ice it, our cake won't move. And I have some wax paper for easy cleanup. So we're going to start with the first cake layer. Add some frosting in the middle. And we're going to spread it evenly, like so. Now we're going to take our second layer. And we're going to add some frosting. And again, we're going to spread it evenly. Now we're going to frost the sides. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish icing my cake, and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I am through icing my cake. So now we're going to gently remove the wax paper. And we'll get a nice clean plate. Alrighty, and there's one more thing we got to add to it. I have some maraschino cherries. We're just going to place them right on top. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Maraschino cherry cake. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to cut me up a slice, and then we'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I have fixed me up a plate, and I'm serving it with some maraschino cherries on the side. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this texture. Oh yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Have a bite. It's so moist, it just melts in your mouth. And I love them pieces of cherry inside the cake. And that cream cheese frosting is divine. Honey, you can't tell this is from a box. This tastes like you made it from scratch. This maraschino cherry cake is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Maraschino cherry cake licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.